The SDG community today is our future change maker.
SDG 是我们持续发展的力量，一定要了解哦。
It's moving together for the global goals.
Satu platform yang sangat berkesan.
Community Prihati.
Zero hunger and quality education.
Be inclusive, impactful, and also moving towards digitalization.
Sharing best practice and support for implementing SDG.
SDG community dan belia kini terbang lebih jauh.
To seek to eliminate gender discriminatory policies.
Service above self. Education should be fast.
Inspiring for a more sustainable and resilient world.
Take action to change the world.
Should be more inclusive for all Malaysians.
Power and vibrant.
Needs to be more conscious of their decision and actions.
Need to lead a sustainable lifestyle.
Inclusivity for the neurodivergent community.
Education should be the first priority.
Empower youth community. Jom, let's go.
Needs to fight for a job for every single person in the country.
Significant impact for future generation.
Let's make skills training amazing again.
Continue to be committed and find an echo among policymakers.
Kita mengembangkan dan mencapai SDG pada tahap terakhir dekad in action ini.
Living in harmony with nature
must be far more inclusive, just and fair to all human beings.
SDG community today is full of dynamic and we need you.